Hi, welcome to this video on how to install Google Analytics into Drupal. So the first thing you need to visit the module page at drupal.org, Project, Google Analytics. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select the version of Drupal you're using. I'm using Drupal 8, so I'm going to select this one here. I right click, copy the link address and go back to my Drupal website. Okay, I want to bring our attention to this option that says Extend, and we're going to click here. Then we're going to select Install New Module. So I select this option here. Next we need to focus on where it says Install from a URL. So we need to make sure we've copied our module's URL, copy link address, and we paste it into here, and then we click on the Install button. Once the module is installed, we click on Enable Newly Added Module. We scroll down to the bottom of the page and we should see our Google Analytics module. You can see here it says Statistics. We enable it here, scroll down, and then we click on Install. Next we're going to focus on the option that says Configuration. We're going to click here. And then we're going to go to where it says Google Analytics. We're going to select this option here. Here we can add our Google Analytics ID. So we're going to go over to Google Analytics, sign into our Google Analytics account. Then we're going to focus on this option and click on Create New Account. Give it a name. Put our website URL in here. Here we put our website URL, for example. You can choose industry and you can enable which options you would like to use. Then we click on Get Tracking ID and scroll down to the bottom. We then choose I accept. Next we copy our tracking code ID, so we just go highlight this and then we just go paste it into here. Then we just scroll down the bottom and we click on Save Configurations. So now our Google Analytics account will be enabled. So now we enabled Google Analytics on our Drupal website. So thank you for watching my video. If you found this video helpful, please get a like. And if you want to get more video updates on how to use Drupal, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have 2 links below my video. If you click on this link here, it will take you to DigitalOcean's website. I've been using DigitalOcean's hosting for about 2 years. And it's only like $5 a month to host a Drupal website on DigitalOcean. It's really cheap and really easy to use. And if you click on this link, Drupal Shoot Surf, it will take you to my website where I've got plenty more tutorials. You can check these out and I'm sure you find them helpful. And also if you have any suggestions for videos, please leave a comment. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful and you have a great week. Take care. Bye.